Hi fam, good morning. How is everyone doing? I hope we're all doing good. I hope we're all, healthy and strong. I am doing fabulous. Thank you for asking. So guys, today's video is kind of like a different video from my regular videos. Today I am going to be doing, it's not a makeup related video, it's not a beauty related video. I'm going to be doing, well, it's more of a lifestyle type of thing. So I'm going to be doing an experiment, a well, not social experiment, but I'm going to be doing an experiment. I am going to be attempting to grow some fruits or some vegetables, and the vegetables I'm going to be attempting to grow is tomatoes and peppers. So my brother actually inspired me to want to, like, grow my own vegetables. So I wanted to experiment and try, and that whole thought of like having to grow something, watch something grow, watch something flourish. Yeah, that is exactly why I want to do this. Like, I want to just see what happens when you just dedicate time to making something grow. And I've always wanted to have a garden of my own, like, to just have a garden, even whenever I'm ready or whenever I leave. Right now, currently I stay with my mom, so when I get my own apartment or my own place, I'm definitely going to have a little garden for myself. So yeah, what better time than now to actually start growing my own, start my own mini garden. So yeah, so today I wanted to share this experience with you guys, so you guys can follow me on this journey of growing my own vegetable. Subsequently, I'm going to like add other things, to the list of things I want to grow. But for now, I just want to start off with tomatoes and peppers. So yeah, guys, wish me luck. I hope this is successful. I hope I get to grow nice healthy tomatoes. But I'm just going to show you guys what my setup looks like. So let's go check it out. Okay guys, so this is what my mini my mini plant bed looks like. It's nothing too fancy. This is just my first time starting this, so I don't even want to I don't feel like a farmer just yet. But yeah, so I'm just starting off with this little small bed. Subsequently, I'm going to like get something deeper, to maybe like transfer the plants into, like, when they start shooting up very well. But for now, I'm just going to use this as my starter. So basically, this is like all those like tin foils that they use for baking, so yeah, because I just wanted something that is manageable, at least for now. When the plants start to grow, I will then find something with more depth, maybe a bucket or something else to transfer the plants to. So for now, I just want to start with this. So I have here just some soil, and I have some, like, I put some like fruits, like some fruits and vegetables that were meant for the garbage are under it. So yeah, just to kind of act like manure for the soil. So yeah, so now I'm just going to get my seeds and plant them in. Guys, wish me luck, because I really want this thing to be successful. Like, if it's successful, I'm definitely going to do lots and lots more planting around this house. So yeah, let's just get our seeds ready. Okay guys, so these are the seeds. I hope you guys can see them very well. Let me go outside a little bit. So these are the seeds that I'm going to plant. I just got seeds from tomatoes, and I got seeds from peppers. So I'm just going to plant them on the flower bed. So let's just go and try and do that. guys, so I just planted the seeds now. As you saw, I just planted the seeds into them. So I'm just going to get a little water, and just water the soil so it's not so dry. So guys, I'm done watering, so I'm gonna come back regularly with you guys with the camera, to show you guys if any of them have sprouted. So guys, just wish me luck that this works out, because if it does, I am going to be super happy. I'm going to be watering them regularly, at least once in a while, or maybe once every like 2 days or once every 3 days. I don't know. I'll have to go and research like how often you have to water them. So but yeah, I'll come back regularly to be watering them. So guys, I'll see you next time. So these are my little tomatoes. They're really growing nice and healthy. This is like I'm going to calculate like how many days it's been now, but it has been quite some weeks since I planted these, and they are really growing very nicely. But I actually want to now transfer them into this bucket so that they can like grow really well. I hope this bucket is deep enough for this replant. So yeah, that's what I want to do now. So yeah. So guys, this is my tomatoes replanted. I still have a few here, and 1, 2. This is like water leaf, so like these guys grow anywhere. So I'm just going to leave them here. I'm not going to uproot them because we use them to like cook soup and stuff like that. So I would leave this tomatoes and these two for a little while, a few weeks, so that they can really sprout up very well. Then I would find a spot for them inside here, probably somewhere around here, and just replant them in. So but yeah, so it's just to monitor them and make sure they are nourished and well hydrated. So yeah. Hi guys, so today this is what I'm going to be dropping as my fertilizer. So this is just like banana peels, and I soaked the banana peels overnight in water. So this is the banana peel water. This is what I want to use to water the soil. Look at my tomatoes. So this is one of the tomatoes I just plucked now from plucked it from here. So I still have some green leaves here. I said some green ones that haven't yet ripened. This one is looking ripe already. Yeah, although my plants have been dying, I really don't know what I need. I obviously need to do something different for these plants. I'm going to like regrow my tomatoes again. I don't know, probably the roots are too dry, or maybe they are too jam-packed inside the bucket. But anyways, here we have another one, and then we have another one here. So yeah, at least I got a little bit of harvest. So this one just came out from the tomato plant. Nice and ripe. Gorgeous.